in export animation, resolution tab now open. You can change the resolution, width, height, frame rate, etc. And if you want, you can export images also. To check this box, go to content tab. Here you can add tasks, 3D list, resources, etc. Here I will check this one, this one, and this one, timeline. I don't record image and focus time. Now I will set the planned and actual. Click on upper arrow. Okay. Now go to textual frame. In frame properties, select text and write planned, size 14. You can change the color also or background color also. Add new frame. Now again write actual and add new frame. Apply. Then go to content. Now you can see the two text, planned and actual, added here. Click on planned text and upper arrow. Okay. And actual. Click on actual. Upper arrow. Okay. You can add images also, some logo also. You can add soundtrack also. You can add Gantt chart, focus time, timeline, etc. You can show the image of Synchro also. Click on image on Synchro. Okay. Now save and OK. Exported animation .avi format, this one. This is the final output. In this way, you can prepare plan versus actual animation in Synchro.